So for anyone who's tried to push the bushings out of their rear upper control arm on their FD, you know that that's not exactly the simplest thing in the world to do. So I've already done the other side, but this is the contraption that I used. If you're in a situation where you're trying to push your bushings out, all you need to do is replicate this setup here, so you can see it, and it will work. It's not simple by any means, and you don't have to use a bolt, a sleeve, and an old bushing. You can use whatever, you know, just this is the setup. Doing it this way, it puts no strain on either end of the control arm, and it isolates just the bushing, so when you work the press, you're not actually compressing these two pieces here to squeeze them together and ruin the control arm. You're just pushing the bushing out the way that you want. So that's how you do that. And then of course to the other side, you just flip it around and it works. All right, good luck.